there, creatives. Welcome to the second episode of Oops, This House is a Mess. My name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, we're gonna paint some bedside lamps that I was given as a gift by my friend Joe. Shout out Joe. Thank you for the lamps. They're really beautiful. Yeah, I want to use them as my bedside lamps in my bedroom. So we're gonna pimp that, and then I'm gonna show you how they look in the bedroom at the end of the video. So stay tuned. So these lamps are like wooden, and they have like a wooden stain on them. When he gave them to me, he had this vision. He said, okay, if they were mine, I'd paint them pink. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna paint them pink. Just because he said that, he said that, I'm gonna paint them pink, and I'm gonna add a touch of gold because my room is I've been like trying to bring out this touch of gold thing because I really love gold. And yeah, so yeah, let's get to that. These are the lamps, and that's how they look. So I'm gonna do a blush pink here, nice blush pink here, and then I'm gonna do a gold at the base here. So there are two of them. Yeah, there are two. That's how they look. They have this wooden stain on them, but I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to spray paint on top of the wood stain. Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to paint the base first, yeah? So I'm going to do the gold first, and then I'm going to come up here and do the pink. So I'm going to take my masking tape, and I'm going to cover this whole part of the lamp for now. So there's the first one. I'm gonna fix the other one, and then we're gonna go and spray paint both lamps. So guys, we've now spray painted the lampshade, and now we're done. So this is the final step. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take a lampshade. Yeah. So I got this lampshade from Builders. I bought it from Builders, and according to me, it's kind of plain. It's really plain, and I don't want that. I want to include a gold theme on my lampshade, and so yeah. So I'm going to be adding these beads. These are Christmas beads. These are beads that people use on their Christmas trees, but I'm gonna use them on my lampshade, and it's gonna make the lampshade look really pretty. So first things first, we have to unwrap the lampshade. You can use a new lampshade or you can use an old one. I got this one's really cheap, so I thought, why not? And they're pink, yeah, like that's what I wanted. So this is the lampshade. The material is like velvet. It's really pretty. It's a nice pink. I hope you like it. I do. So I want to do these beads on the edge of the lampshade, and I'm gonna take it all around like that on the edge. Yeah, like that. Okay. So as usual, I'm using my hot glue gun and a glue stick. And glue sticks, it's actually really hot. I need to turn it off. It's smoking, if you can see. So what I'm doing is I'm putting glue on the lampshade, and I'm putting one bead underneath. So there's gonna be glue under every bead to make sure it sticks nicely. Don't put too much glue. You don't want excess glue hanging all over. When you put the glue, and make sure you press the bead down, yeah, so it holds. And keep going as you take off the excess glue. You don't want glue all over your lampshade. It won't look nice.